this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I just want to say welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel is all about crochet. I just want to, hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I come to you from Central Arkansas, and I just want to say welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel is all about crochet. I have just a couple of things to share with you guys, so this will be a quick video, quicker than what I normally do. But I finished an object that I've been working on, and I received some happy mail in the form of that I had won a giveaway, and I'm so excited to share that with you guys. It came in 2 packages. I got this package, and I got this big old box here. Look at this big old box. Now it's all wrapped in tissue paper, nice and pretty. So I have not opened it yet. I just opened the box, but I did look inside this right here. Oh, and let me tell you who this is from. This is from Jenny. Jenny Smiley is her name, and it is Jenny with Nanny's Crochet Corner. I just want to make sure I had the right channel name, and she is a darling. I want you guys to go check out her channel. But she gave this beautiful little card right here that came with it, and I forgot to mention on the back it had this right here. And Jenny, I'm so excited over this. I mean, goodness, this is just beautiful. And I've had this, today's my 2nd day with it, or maybe my 3rd day, and it's taken everything I got not to dig in this box. But I did get in this one. Only because, I don't know why. I just did. But anyway, she says, has this real nice, sweet note on it. Oh my gosh. And then she does put a Bible scripture in here, and I'll read that to you guys. It says, "Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths." Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. And then she said she likes the scriptures that I read at the end of my video. So anyway, so let's dig into this and let's see what I got. For one thing, I want to show you this. When I saw this, I was like, well, what is it? I figured it out real quick, and now that I have this, I don't know how I ever lived without it. Oh my gosh. So this is awesome. So all you do is, if you're working on a pattern or anything, you just put your pattern or whatever, your paper, in there like this. You take this little marker right here, and see how I put a little check mark on it? You can mark and do different stuff you want. And then when you're done with whatever it is, what row you're on or whatever you're trying to circle, then you just erase it. Look at that. I was like, I don't know how I lived without this. I gotta have it now. So that's pretty awesome. I mean, if I ever got anything out of anything, this would be it. I love it. Okay, and then she did those what do you call them? The row counters with Yarn Hag Ryan. She did those, and so she made a couple of them, and I got 2 of them. Look at that. Isn't that just adorable? I mean, you know, you got to have personality with it. I made some as well from Ryan's, and mine was nowhere near anything attractive like this. I mean, that's beautiful. And then here's my other one, and it's so cute. It has a button on it, and it's more of the wooden look. I pulled some of them down messing with it. But look at that. That's beautiful, Jeannie. That is just beautiful. Okay, now we get to dig into the box that I've been waiting for. Let's dig into this and see. Okay. There we go. Let me sit back in my chair a little bit. Gotta get comfortable. I have a dog down here. He's trying to get into my stuff. Okay, so she's got tissue paper, more tissue paper, and now we get to do some goodies. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. I need a little project bag. Look at this. Actually, I was fixing to make some. I don't think I'm going to make any for a while because this will take the place of one of them. So that saves me a lot of time. Thank you. I love this. And look at the dark handles, the black handles. It's like a cord. Isn't that pretty? That is cool. I really like that. So, oh, wow. I wasn't expecting anything like this. This is some hooks, 12 US size ergonomic crochet hooks. It says crochet with all your heart, and I will. Let's see, it says no need conversion chart, but oh, and it has some yarn needles in there too. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? Let's see if it shows the sizes on them. I love these different colors. Yeah, these are nice. Soft and comfortable hand, sleek and flawless finish, exceptional quality. But there you are. I was not expecting this. This is like gift of all gifts. Thank you so much. Okay, there's so much in here. I don't know what to dig into first. Oh, look at this pen. Look at that. I can just see what my husband's going to say when I'm writing my pattern out in this pen. What do you got over there, Pamela? Oh gosh, that is hilarious. Yeah, that's gonna be great. Oh yes, this is cute, and I love notepads because you know when you're writing patterns and stuff like that, you never have enough notepads. Look at that. So here I am. I'm gonna be all bright. Look at that. Look, it's got those little pom-poms on it. Isn't that cute? So yes, this is all good stuff. Oh, and a little pack. Can never, ever have enough stitch markers. Oh, and if y'all saw one of my videos, I talked about how I'm always losing stitch markers, how they're like socks. They just disappear. Well, that's me and stitch markers. I've always wanted one of these. I've seen other people have these, and I've always wanted this. So now I got one. Thank you. And then a pack of stitch markers. And look at that, they come in a plastic container. I mean, this is awesome. Oh, Let's Planner sticker. Oh my gosh, I love stickers. If you only knew how much I love stickers. I have a planner that I put stickers in on my daily planner, and this is gonna be great to go in that. In fact, I kind of think this might be the same brand that I have. I'm not sure. I bought mine from Hobby Lobby. But anyway, oh, looky here, another one. Make it happen. Another one of these, look. And my pen will match it as well. Look at that. Okay, oh, look at this. Oh, I like the way that feels. A 2021 crochet planner. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. If you guys could just feel the way that feels. Look at that. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I love it. Love it, love it. Okay. And now we're into, oh gosh, I was needing some more of this yarn because I'm making another type of a, not a cocoon, but it's kind of like a cocoon, but a different style. And I was wanting this color right here, this driftwood. I have some of this driftwood already, but I needed more. Look at that. Perfect. I mean, perfect timing. Now I can get that pattern back out, and now that I've got enough yarn. But it's not just one, not just two. Looky there. there's 3 of them. So I got 3. Oh, and then here is some pretty color. Let's see. Oh, I have not tried this kind of yarn out before. This is Shawl in a Ball, and I've heard so many of you guys talk about this Shawl in a Ball yarn. And I haven't bought me any of it, but look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, this is perfect. It says it's a medium 4-weight, and it's called Community Coral. Yeah, these are some of my favorite colors. I like that. I forgot to tell you that this is driftwood, a 3-weight, and there's 392 yards in there. I mean, yeah, this is enough to make, with my 2, it's enough to make another project for me that I have in the works or planned out. I had the pattern pulled out. I just have to go look at it again. But this is medium 4-weight. It's going to tell you how many yards this is. It's 58% cotton, 39% acrylic, 3% other. Who knows what other is? Anyway, I don't know how many yards, but oh my gosh, here's another one. Yep, look at that. Looky, looky. This is beautiful. I'm so glad this is the colors it is. I love it. Okay, looky there. Some more of the crazy colors. Fun colors, I guess you could call it. Some more of the fun colors. I like it. Okay, so look at this shawl on a cake. Isn't this shiny? This is called Moonstone, and it's a 4-weight, 481 yards. Look at that. And I love these colors. Yes, I do. And it's glittery. I don't know if y'all can see that. You see the glitter in there? Awesome. Okay, I still have more yarn to pull out, guys. Burnett Softy Baby Stripes. Oh, this is cute. This, I'm trying to see what color. It's a 3-weight, 287 yards, 100% acrylic. Isn't that pretty? That is so cute. Looky there. Some more fun colors. Let's see. I was trying to get it all in one hand. See how I can do that. And looky there. Those are cute. All right. That was what I won in a giveaway. And you guys know how much I love my yarn. So I'm going to have so much fun with this. And what I liked about this is that it wasn't just a yarn giveaway. You know, I mean, it came with all these little books and stuff. I mean, how thoughtful is that? Because I have a yarn giveaway that I'm actually, after this video, I'm fixing to record another video, and I'm going to have a yarn giveaway. And I don't have all this cool stuff with mine. But, and I don't have time to go to the store to do that. But maybe when I have another video, I'll try to include little things like this. I never really thought to do that. But now that I'm on the receiving end, I see how cool this really is to have other little things included in the box. So, thank you. Thank you so much. And, oh yeah, I forgot to show you, she put a couple of stickers on there. So, I appreciate this. And I'm fixing to unpack this when I get in there because I have some projects. I'm testing a pattern for someone. And then, of course, I got my own pattern. I'm working on doing a top to do a pattern for. And then my doll clothes pattern, you know, I still have that. So, this is fixing to come in real handy. Anyway, so thank you, Jeannie Smiley. I appreciate that. And I will leave the link to her channel. And guys, please go subscribe to her. I mean, she is a really sweet lady. I'm going to take all this into my living room space and go through it again. Okay, now I just have one more thing to show you guys. That's like a yarn haul surprise box type thing. I mean, I've never had a giveaway quite like that. I've won a few giveaways, but I've never won anything that large. Okay, so anyway, so go check her out. Now, the last thing I want to show you guys is I finished my Lost in Time. I'm doing this with the Crafty Nomad and with Crochet Creations by Christy. And I will leave their links below. They have a YouTube channel, and they also have the Facebook where they're posting these. And I posted my picture, my finished product. what I did, and I took some pictures outside, and I'll have those pictures on here, but I'm going to show you my Lost in Time. Well, first I'll show you what yarn I used real quick. I did not 3 cakes because I color controlled these, so I pulled the cakes apart, and in reality it was probably 4, maybe 5. 2 of them were mill ends, but I have a lot left, so in reality it was probably 3 that I did. But anyway, they're all mandala, and the ones that were the mill ends, I'm sure they are too. Not 100% positive, you know. I wouldn't like stand before a judge and say that they are, but you know, they look like they are. But anyway, so I'm really proud to show this. Finally got it finished. Here we go. This was my finish. So I started with the blues, and looky there, I ended with the blues. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. It was a lot of work, but it is a repeat of one, like row 15 through 26, so it's not that bad. I started off counting, making sure I stayed on track, but after I got to so many rows, counting was no more in the game. I mean, you know, you can just throw that out the window. So, and I think I stayed pretty well on track. But yeah, that's it right there. I'll see if I can show it a little closer so you can see how some of these stitches are. It's called the Lost in Time Shawl. And the free pattern is on Ravelry. And it's by Joanna Lindahl Designs. And she has an Etsy shop too called the Mijo Crochet Designs. But like I said, I just got this off Ravelry. Lost in Time. So you gotta type in. So yeah, okay. So that's all that I have today. I wanted to show my winnings. I forgot to show that I was drinking coffee today. So let's see. Our Bible scripture to end this video with is from Psalm 73:24. A little short one here. It says, "Thou shalt guide me with thy counsel, and afterward receive me to glory." This is from my Granny Ralston's book that was my mother's book, and then it's handed down to me. So now it's my book, my Little Words of Life Promise book. So thank you for watching my channel, and I would appreciate it if you liked, shared, and I love comments, so leave those comments, and don't forget to tap the bell so you'll always be notified every time I release a video. Thank you.